Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
TV time! Yay!
Welcome back guys sa KPTV. Ngayon, sobrang excited na naman ako mag-unbox kasi meron na naman tayong bagong gadget na i-review. Well, technically, it's a new rig and I'm going to run you through it and hopefully give you a bit of review for each and every object, gadget parts na kinuha natin sa kanila. Basically, this is centered around a streaming rig setup from a laptop gaming to PC gaming. Main differences or advantages between using laptop as a gaming and desktop gaming. So, yun talaga yung main purpose na. Game! Let's do this! Nung nag-iisip ako ng build na to, syempre, laging question dyan sa mga gaming enthusiasts or sa mga mahilig sa PC is, would you go for an Intel build or AMD build? So, dahil hindi naman ako masyadong overclocker and medyo matagal ko na rin naman nagagamit si Intel. Dati kasi hindi maganda rin yung experience ko sa AMD. Pero nowadays, mas maganda na rin yung performance ng AMD talaga. Ayan, napakalaki ng ating rig. Diyos ko. Paano ko ba ito? Grabe, ang bigat. Sobrang bigat.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Ayan guys, finally na-unbox na. Sobrang hirap at ang bigat niya and this is what it looks like na RTX tower. So, medyo mataas din talaga siya. Ang linis niya tingnan. So, even here, since we have our AIO cooler din, if you decide para magkaroon ka ng mas magandang airflow, you can actually remove this on top or kahit lang siya, kahit iangat mo lang siya ng konti or remove it totally. So, pwede siyang ganyan or syempre yung normal build niya or totally remove.
Kick.
Tchanan! Eto na siya guys. So, na-build na natin yung rig. Ito talaga. Well, thank you sa PC Lab sa pag-collab natin ng pag-build ng aking new gaming rig. So, I went with white. Gusto ko talaga white build eh. At first, I was gunning for, or I was looking for parts that could help me build a white themed na build ng PC. But eventually, I ended up for me, a much better combination. Especially with this case na sobrang laki. Actually, ang laki nga niya. So, tower case ng CoolerMaster. Start tayo dito. So, SL600M. So, medyo silver titanium finish yung build and syempre may kahalong black. Yung motherboard ko is Vision G Z490. It's a motherboard that will support yung mga bagong generation ng Intel processors, which is, of course, yun yung next kong ipapakita. Doon tayo sa 10th gen ng i7-10700K, which is LGA yung socket niya, 1200. So, kaya Z490 yung specific na motherboard na dapat yung hanapin if you're going for this kind of socket or yung mismong form factor na tinatawag din. Pero syempre, yung form factor mismo ng board ko is ATX, meaning hindi siya, meron kasing maliit na factor ng board, which is yung ITX or mini ATX na tinatawag. So, I went with that build kasi dahil malaki din naman yung case natin, we have enough space. Graphics card natin. So, yun yung main attraction for this build. So, RTX series, if you can see, I'm actually focusing based on my wallpaper. So, I went with a Gigabyte instead. So, focus din ako doon. Kaya Gigabyte din yung mismong board ko. And then, yung graphics card ko is at RTX 2080 Super. Yan. So, pakita ko lang yung box. So, ito siya. 8 gig. So, OC edition. Siyempre, may RGB din siya, pero I intended na, hindi siya sing RGB nung other class niya, which is yung Aorus na build ng Gigabyte. So, siyempre, it's still, performance-wise, next siya sa 2080 Ti. Then, next upcoming build is, abangan nyo, kasi palabas na ngayon September yung next generation of NVIDIA cards, which is yung bagong technology nila na Ampere build. And 30X series na. Yung mismong processor natin, kailangan natin siyang partneran ng cooler. So, syempre, to keep the temperature as low as possible. Syempre, yung good thermal means good performance din ng mga parts mo. So, this time, I went with an AIO cooler or MASTERLIQUID ML360p Silver Edition. Siyempre, mas maganda parang yung sa iba, nagbi-build ng by brand, compatibility-wise. Kumbaga, may synergy, ika nga. So, next on, yung RAM natin. So, as you can see here, my build has 4 sticks. So, it's actually a CORSAIR VENGEANCE RGB PRO. Ayan. So, dalawa siya kasi 2x8 siya. So, 32 gig in total yung RAM natin for this build. So, syempre, yung frequency niya is at 3200 megahertz. So, for gaming, you can go as high if you're focused on gaming. 3200 is, I think, is on the right spot, sweet spot niya for gaming. Kaya, hindi na ako masyadong nagmataas pa ng frequency. Tapos, next would be, syempre, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating graphics card is vertically mounted. Meaning, nakaharap dito. Normally, nakahiga siya kapag sinasalpak mo siya kasi doon sa PC, doon sa port ng motherboard mo, normally yung card is papasok ng ganon. So, doon sa PCIe niya, parang ganon, yung mismong port niya. So, I added a vertical mount, which is also a CoolerMaster. Kaya swak na swak siya dun sa case pa rin natin. Actually, just a tip, itong build ng case na to, yung airflow niya is really suited siya to cater yung vertically mounted na graphics card. Yung flow ng air niya is mostly intake niya coming from here pataas, yung exhaust niya sa labas. Nag-spin na siya, meaning meron na siyang pinaprocess na something na to keep it cool din, syempre. Syempre, kailangan natin ng SSD or NVMe SSD to focusing on installation ng OS kasi para mas mabilis din yung mga boot mo, syempre pag nagbabasa rin. So, pero syempre, pwede mo siyang partneran with with normal na SATA na hard disk drive. So, I went with that build actually. So, 500 gig for the NVMe SSD for basically my OS and probably some of my games para mas mabilis siya. And then, yung mga saving ko ng files, partner with 1TB Barracuda. Siya kailangan ng RGB kasi NVMe siya, nakatagulan din siya dun sa board natin. So, kaya ganito yung form factor niya para maliit lang siya. Para lang siyang RAM module. Kung titingnan niyo siya. Kaya okay din to kasi nga wala siya moving parts, mas mabilis siya. So kapag NVMe SSD, mas mabilis na siya. Yung pati yung data transfer niya, pagka-copy mo, ganyan. So ayan. So dahil ito nga yung pinaka build natin. So syempre, once you build it, marami ka pa rin kailangan gawin. Most important thing to do to install yung mga driver. So yung driver niyan, unang-una yung focusan is yung, syempre, yung chipset drivers. Masetup mo rin yung Ethernet. So ang ginawa ko, dahil nga wala pang, kumbaga, hindi mo kasi ma-update yung drivers niya. You can use yung optical drive. Siguro kuha ka ng external drive. You can use lahat naman ng mga gadgets or yung mga parts. Meron pa rin silang kasamang disk for drivers. Pero mas importante na ngayon nowadays, madali na mag-update into more updated driver if you're connecting sa internet or babrowse mo na lang siya. Depende kung anong brand nung ano mo. You can download the latest drivers sa site nila, depende kung anong brand. Yung sequence nga no, na sinasabi ko, importante muna yung motherboard, chipset drivers, and then next is yung Ethernet para makakonect ka sa internet, and then now you could probably install your graphics driver. So all of that can be done separately. So there are two ways that you can do that, yung update. So either you have a separate laptop, dun mo i-download yung mga latest drivers, copy it sa hard drive, and then install it here. Or once you have the Ethernet setup, you can now set up yung mismong kumbaga you can access the internet na. Dahil sa una wala kang internet, use your thumb drive na lang siguro or external hard drive to copy it here. Set up natin yung monitor natin, gaming monitor. So mga panahon ngayon, yung mga gaming monitors, it's not as simple as just connecting the cable eh. Lalo yung mga branded like yung mga Asus, MSI, yan, Gigabyte or Arus. May overclocking feature na rin sila eh, for more response rate and yung response time yung frequency din nung monitor mo. Ano ba? So syempre, other than that, so I use the IQ software ng Corsair to control yung RGB. Ayan. So ayan guys, papakitaan ko rin kayo ng performance test. Yan. Papakitaan natin how it actually perform yung mismong build niya. So I'll show you some clips while I'm gaming. Probably, kaya ko talaga binil to. Ramp up my experience and skills dun sa Call of Duty Warzone.
Enemy at the cargo containers. Get on flag back. Drop the flag. Drop the flag.
Falcon 3-0. Good copy. UAV beginning flyover.
Drop the flag.
Weapon free in 5 seconds.
Drop the flag.
Get out of fuel. Returning to resupply.
We're losing ground. Take it back. This is Builder 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away. Lost the lead. We're in control. Friendly UAV online. Friendly contact inbound.
Sorry ass DJ.
some.
So I hope you like it. So, syempre, probably add additional monitor para mas complete na yung streaming setup natin. Don't forget to watch out for it again. I would probably make another video of that. So, if you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my page, KPTV. See you again next time. Bye!